New introduction here. I want to get everybody's attention for what I feel will be a lucrative opportunity. It's the first ever NYSE marijuana IPO. We're making history here, and I feel this is just the first stepping stone in what is going to be the start of many IPOs on both the Nasdaq and the NYSE. I feel we're going to have a marijuana sector and marijuana ETFs in the future, and this is just step number one. If you are familiar with the industry, that's all I have to say. I know you're interested already. If this is new to you, this is going to be, in my opinion, the greatest financial opportunity in our lifetimes. This has never happened before. We have an established tens of billions dollar industry that the floodgates are going to open. It's becoming more and more legitimate legally, and this is just step number one. So Innovative Industrial Properties is the company. The ticker is IIPR. It is a real estate REIT that invests in medical marijuana facilities. And for this IPO, we have a new website, www.mjipo.com. I put together an hour of research video going through the filings, researching the company and the executives, and establishing a game plan, looking at some other IPOs and how they have traded. We're going to have a chat room with live Q&A during that day, Tuesday, November 22nd. And we'll also have the live webcam where I'll be showing our charts, going over, pointing out key support and resistance levels, looking at the volume that's coming in. I'm really looking forward to this opportunity. I hope you will join us. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the charts. Hello, everyone. Looking at natural gas after the contract rollover. This is the hourly time frame. There's the contract rollover. We consolidated, held the low of that rollover of 2891, formed a higher low at 2905, and higher high closing strong here at the end of the day. So the pattern is the dollar is pulling back the first red day after 10 green days, and both gold, oil, and natural gas all saw some upside. So if you are playing any of these commodities, you are watching the dollar, and it is very strong, but it is pulling back now. We are anticipating just normal, healthy consolidation, maybe a few days at most if the bulls are lucky, or if the commodity bulls are lucky, before a new support is established after a 10-day move to the upside. So natural gas bulls, they're heading towards $3 psychological resistance, and we can draw plenty of uptrend support lines at this point. We can draw one before the contract rollover, but personally, I would rather draw one after the contract rollover. Let's get the low of that, and then the higher low, and I'm hitting the real bodies of the candlestick. So that's the uptrend line that I'm going to be watching tomorrow. Not that one. Not that one. So, bulls are strong, and the RSI is not too overbought. We've got the MACD ready for a bullish cross. Let's check the 4-hour chart. A bullish MACD on the 4-hour is always a nice indication for the upside, and we had that a long time ago. So the bulls are looking good. Daily time frame in full control for the short term. Higher low and higher high. So our higher low was established when we broke out of the extremely bearish downtrend, that is. Formed a higher low at 2669, and now we have a higher high. And this is also a bullish break of the inside weekly candlestick from last week, and we're looking to confirm that to the upside. So it's a great start to the week for natural gas and for oil. The question will be, will the dollar keep pulling back and allowing for this upside? So that $3 resistance, we know that psychological level has been such a factor. And previous support, I'm watching this resistance right here, and that's at 301. The low here was 301 on consolidation before we bounced off of it again. Now it's resistance, so that's a key resistance level to be watching. If we can get over $3 and turn that into solid support, not a ton of resistance in the immediate future after $3, I would be looking here at 311, another support level. You can see how many times we back tested and bounced off this level. So 301, well, really $3 psychological, 301, and then 311. In the hourly chart, we've got this uptrend support line to be watching, and the bulls are in full control as long as this uptrend line is intact on the hourly. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. We'll see if the bulls can continue this bullish week. They need to close the week strong to have that weekly chart confirm the bullish reversal candlestick from last week. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you after the bell tomorrow.